Hello, we're home restoration experts.
Storms can cause significant damage to your home's exterior, often unnoticed until problems arise. In this video, we'll explain how hail and wind can impact your roof, siding, gutters, aluminum fascia, and window wraps, and why it's crucial to address these issues promptly.
Roof damage.
Roof damage. Hailstones can cause immediate and long-term damage to asphalt shingles.
The impact can lead to punctures and bruises. Hail can puncture shingles or cause bruises, compromising the shingle's integrity and leading to leaks.
Granule loss. The protective granules on shingles can be knocked off, exposing the underlying asphalt to UV rays and accelerating deterioration. Cracks and tears. Larger hailstones can crack or tear shingles, making your roof vulnerable to water infiltration.
Visible damage.
Large hailstones or strong winds can leave clear signs of damage, such as missing shingles, torn flashing, or visible holes.
Unnoticeable damage.
Smaller hailstones may cause granule loss or soft spots that aren't easily seen but can lead to leaks or further deterioration over time. Minor bruises or cracks in shingles may not be visible from the ground but compromise your roof's protective capabilities.
Consequences of unaddressed roof damage.
Leaks. Damaged shingles can allow water to penetrate your roof, leading to interior damage.
Structural damage. Continuous water infiltration can weaken your home's structure. Mold and mildew growth. Persistent moisture can lead to mold, posing health risks. Reduced roof lifespan. Hail-damaged roofs may require premature replacement if left unaddressed. Siding damage. Siding damage. Hail and wind can adversely affect both aluminum and vinyl siding.
Aluminum siding. Hail can cause dents, affecting the appearance and strength of the siding. Over time, repeated impacts can weaken the material. Vinyl siding. Hail can crack or break vinyl siding, exposing the underlying materials to moisture and pests.
Small hail damage. Aluminum siding. Subtle dents may not be immediately visible but can weaken the siding's durability and create weak points for future impacts.
Vinyl siding. Small cracks or chips can allow water to seep behind the panels, leading to rot or mold over time, especially in older or brittle siding.
Consequences of unaddressed siding damage.
Moisture intrusion. Even small damage can compromise your siding's ability to protect your home from water, increasing the risk of mold and structural issues. Energy efficiency loss. Cracks and gaps reduce insulation efficiency, leading to higher energy bills.
Pest infestation. Openings in siding can allow pests to enter your home. Gutter damage. Gutter damage. Gutters play a vital role in directing rainwater away from your home's foundation.
Storm damage can compromise their function, leading to dents and disconnections. Hail and wind can dent gutters or loosen them from the roofline, affecting water flow. Foundation damage. Without properly functioning gutters, rainwater can pool around your foundation, causing cracks and structural issues. Soil erosion. Improper drainage can lead to soil erosion around landscaping and walkways. Siding and fascia damage. Overflowing gutters can lead to water damage on siding and fascia boards, causing rot.
Aluminum fascia and window wraps.
Aluminum fascia and window wrap damage. Hailstones can dent aluminum fascia and window wraps. These damages are typically cosmetic but can still affect the home's overall appearance. Dents and deformation. Hail can leave dents in aluminum fascia and window wraps, impacting their visual appeal. Protective coating durability. Aluminum wraps are factory coated with durable finishes, so hail rarely causes paint chipping or peeling.
Why address dented aluminum components?
Curb appeal. Dents or deformations can lower the aesthetic value of your home. Structural protection. Over time, repeated impacts can weaken aluminum fascia edges, especially in high wind areas. At Home Restoration Experts, we understand the importance of maintaining your home's integrity. Unaddressed storm damage can not only lead to structural issues but also significantly impact your home's resale value. Buyers may be deterred by visible damage, resulting in lower offers or extended time on the market. Additionally, most insurance policies have time limits for filing claims after hail damage, typically 30 days to 1 year. Delaying repairs or claims may result in denied coverage, leaving you to cover the full cost of repairs. Don't let these issues compromise your home's value or your financial well-being.
Contact us today at 877-813-9737 for a comprehensive inspection and professional repair services. Protect your home, preserve its value, and ensure peace of mind with our expert assistance.